Is that shit from Fast and Furious? Guys, look at all these cars. McLaren, Lambos. So many sick cars, bro. Ferrari. Oof, F80. I had to go look at the F80 real quick. Even though there's a bunch of supercars, I gotta look at the F80 and appreciate this thing. So clean. Anyways, what's up, guys? You're watching another video. We just made it here to the gas station. Everyone's meeting up right now. Hella supercars. It's like a little private. Look at the kids getting so happy. He's like, so many Huracans. That's me as a kid, guys. That's me right now. I'm still the same. We got Lambos, my GTR, of course, Porsches, a bunch of JDM cars over there. That crazy Ferrari. Sick. Look at this guy's plate. I feel like this would make the cop want to give you a state ref, but that's pretty funny. State ref. If you guys don't know what a state ref is, you can't have modified cars in California, so they give you a state ref. You have to go to the county or the state. I don't know. I've never done it before, but you go and get your car all checked up by a police officer or something, and they have to sign it off. And you can't drive the car until that happens. So it's like the worst ticket you possibly can get. But yeah, ZL1, Porsche, AMG, Datsun. This shit's beautiful too. I'm trying to go over the cars real quick before we dip. But we're about to go all go on a little cruise right now. This shit's beautiful, bro. Look how nice it is. Damn, that shit's super clean, bro. Alright guys, before we get too far into the video, I want to give a huge shout out to the boys at Simply Carbon Fiber. If you guys have been watching my channel, you guys know exactly who Simply Carbon Fiber is. They make these carbon fiber products. This is their slim wallet. I love this wallet. It has a little money clip on the back. It holds all my credit cards perfectly. Super slim, so it fits in all my pockets. I love how slim it is. And obviously it's also carbon fiber, which I love, bro. Who doesn't like carbon fiber? I think it's so sick. I get a bunch of compliments on it. They also make phone cases as well. This is their slim phone case. I hate bulky things, so these are perfect, bro. And again, it's carbon fiber, so everybody compliments it. Everyone loves it. It's real carbon fiber. Like, it's so freaking sick. And if you guys want to grab one of these, they also have a bunch of other stuff like sunglasses. If you guys do want to grab something right now is the time, because they're doing a huge Black Friday sale this month only. It already started and it ends on November 25th. So go right now if you guys want to grab something. You get up to 70% off all their products. Phone cases, wallets, glasses. They have a bunch of other things too, so go check them out. I'll leave the link down below. It's the first link in the description. Simply Carbon Fiber. You guys will not regret it. And shout out to them because they're always supporting the channel, and I appreciate that so much. I still want a Huracan, guys. They're so beautiful. This is the homies McLaren. You got the Amazon McLaren. Deliver packages in that. Guys, look at this Ferrari. The color's sick. I'm pretty sure it's the same one that I had on my M3. Or pretty similar. It's just so nice. And then there's a black one, which I don't know which one I would choose between the two. This shit has BBS wheels too. Wow, that shit's fire. I'm not the biggest fan of Ferraris, but these two are really clean. This thing is sick, bro. Must be nice, huh? That's what I need, guys. This thing's pretty cool. I don't really know, to be honest. That body kit's a little too much, actually, but hella carbon fiber. Look, a hood, lid, the whole wide body in the back. This is the craziest G80 body kit I've ever seen. I've never seen that before. Oh my god, that wing's a little crazy too. I don't know. You guys comment down below. What do you guys think about this? I'll let you guys decide. It's a little too much, huh? Oh my god, another one, bro. SB. That color's crazy. Look how that shit sounds. God damn, bro. Are you vlogging?
Hell yeah, I'm vlogging.
Bro, you better post this, bro. I'm waiting. I'm still waiting for a vlog.
Look what I just got, bro.
Yeah, this thing is badass, bro. God damn, that shit sounds sick. All the kids are so excited. Sick. JDM. And then Hala BMWs. M4. This looks like the CS, but I don't think it is. F80? Is that David? That's literally the same spec as David. That's crazy. And then we got a couple other cars. STO, bro. Fire. I wonder why it's parked over here. I did not know those cars are that loud. This shit was hella loud. Oh my god, bro. This car is so loud. beach. I'm about to go straight into the water. Dude, the Lambo did not want to race me, guys. I don't know why. And this dude's car made us deaf. This shit's way too loud. Oh, shit. Anyways, guys, we made it. Look, beach is super nice. All the supercars here. This is like the little regroup. This is a big-ass cruise today, guys. All supercars, literally. Look at R8, Lambos everywhere, Porsches, Ferraris. Super sick. But we're going from one spot to the next spot to the next spot. But this is the first location right next to the beach. Really sick. It's so sick cruising with all these cars, bro. I want to race somebody, but on these cruises, no one really races. I was trying to race the Lambo, but he didn't want it, bro. I feel so broke. There's Aventadors everywhere. This SV is so beautiful, bro.
A little bit, then we're heading out.
Where are we going, Moises?
Roll out. Nick's house.
No, bro. Let's go to my house, bro. Long ass drive from home.
That way.
Look at all these Lambos, dude. This is crazy. We literally completely took over this parking lot. It's crazy. Oh my god, it's already twin turboed. I didn't even know that, bro. This shit's hard.
Dude, when are you gonna buy it, bro?
I need one, bro.
Come on, that's the next step.
It is the next car, low key.
It has to.
Alright, it'll be fire. Look how sick this is. Damn, it's just so nice. Yeah, guys, this has to be the next supercar that I buy, for sure. Bro, where's my Amazon package at, bro?
It's on the way, dude. I sent it right to your house. Come on, it should be there by now.
That shit's so sick. This is crazy, guys. There's so many supercars. Somebody got pulled over. Who was it? I don't know. Oh, it's the Ferrari. That sucks. Guys, look, we parked next to the new M3. Oh, he has the seats, bro. Look at that. The carbon buggy seats. This thing's clean. I still want one, guys. But now it's spot number 2. A little gas station meetup. I don't know what else to film, guys. There's so many supercars. And it's hard to film the cruises because we're driving a little reckless today. And it's hard to film and drive, bro. But there's so many sick cars. I want to race some of these guys. Guys, look at this GTR. Oh, he's a cool little hood. Carbon fiber. And the wing. It's pretty sick. Clean. I'm not the only GTR now. Guys, look, it's an F80, but it's a CS. This thing's sick. That color's hard. With BBS wheels. Guys, look at these like liveries on these cars. I'm pretty sure it's from Fast and Furious, right? The first one. I'm pretty sure it's like the Fast and Furious, like the one that Vin Diesel was driving, but it was not a Supra in the movie. It was an RX-7, wasn't it? He should have done the orange Supra livery. All the supercars are out. We're going to location number 3 now. Look at this, bro. It's like some Skittles. I feel so broke here, guys. Chris? What's up?
Are you vlogging on the phone?
We out here. Yeah, we're almost matching. I did not know what color you're gonna do, but this color is sick. Damn, that's crazy, bro. And it's the new Widebody kit and everything. Look how crazy this car is, guys. So Chris just finished up his new 2022 or 2023 BRZ. This thing is insane, bro. New wheels, new body kit. It's actually it's the TJ Hunt kit, right? The new one? The new Street Hunter kit, bro. It's fire.
Bro,
that's so
back
crazy,
your
bro.
GTR, I've been telling you back
I know.
GTR.
All your cars make me look like a monster truck, bro. I love it, bro. Yeah, the fitment is insane. Look at that. That shit's hard. Damn, it's so clean, bro. Super. That shit is wide, bro. Is your other one wider? I don't know.
I think this one is wider, bro.
It looks wider. I haven't even seen this.
With exhaust,
Damn. It's clean too. We just made it here. Met up with the homie Chris. You guys all know Chris and all his Subarus. The homie Chris is down here from San Diego. He lives super far from me. That's why we don't collab much. But every opportunity we get, we try to make a little video together. But he hit me up. He's in that area actually picking up his new car, his new build, his new Sema build actually. This thing is so beautiful.
Dude, I've been like just staring at it. I just like before we got here, I was just like staring at it.
Bro, it's like so clean. I love how it looks with no stickers, like just your sticker and that's it. What are you looking at, David? You looking at yourself? You're feeling
cold.
yourself?
I'm cold, bro.
Bro, this car's fire.
Shit is hard, bro, for sure.
We got David's F80.
If I was
GTR.
into stance car, this for sure be a top pick that I want to buy.
No, Chris has the sickest stance cars, bro. Look at his fitment on all his cars. They're all bagged. They're all wide-bodied. It's so sick. I can't even post it yet, guys. It's still, what is it, Saturday? He's not revealing it for another 3 days, so this vlog's not going up till next week. But yeah, look at that. I guess it's a new Enoza Tech color that just came out. And it's called like lavender, I think. I don't know. The color looks crazy. David just washed it today for me. David washed my car, but he didn't wash his own car. What a nice friend, huh?
He was showing me right now.
What the? No way there's a magnet. No way, bro. And guys, yesterday, I didn't even show you, but I messed up my lip, bro. You cannot tell right now, but I mean, you can see right here, look how it's all dull, like the carbon fiber. I ran over a semi-truck tire on the freeway. Don't ask me how, but my lip did not break. I don't know how. I thought I was gonna get off the freeway and check it out and my whole lip was gonna be gone because it sounded horrible, but look, it left like a tire mark right here that doesn't come off. The whole lip is kind of dull from hitting the tire. This shit was like hanging. And underneath, let me see if I can put the flash. Underneath, we got like this under tray sagging, bro. This shit messed my car up. What is that? Oh. Anyways, yeah, it messed my car up, guys. But thank God it didn't break my lip, so we're good. But yeah, we gotta fix that. I also made like a little bumper gap right here. This was not here before. Look it, it's a big gap, bro. Like it literally pulled my bumper down. So we gotta fix all that. Maybe tonight or tomorrow morning. Bro, this thing looks so nice, bro. I feel like the two popular cars that came out recently was the new BRZ and the new 400Z, but I like the BRZ better. This thing looks so clean. Those are the two cars that you're probably gonna see all over SEMA this year too. By the way, his car's going to SEMA, and I think we might be taking the GTR to SEMA this week too. So Chris brought both his cars. Look at that. And yeah, that's gonna end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. Short little video today, but the next videos are gonna be super lit. It's all the SEMA vlogs in Vegas. We went crazy in Vegas. I got a lot of dope content. So the next like 3 or 4 videos, it's all SEMA and Las Vegas content. It's gonna be lit. So don't forget, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.